Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today let's talk about something that can change your life, your weight, and overall health. If you've been struggling with stubborn weight gain, lack of energy, or feeling stuck in your fitness journey, I've got something exciting to share. MITOLYN, this herbal weight management supplement, is making waves because it doesn't just help you shed those extra pounds, it supports your body in so many other ways too. But before we dive into what makes MITOLYN so powerful, let me share an important thing. MITOLYN is only available through its official website. This is super important because there are fake products out there that will not give you the results that you're hoping for. Plus, only the official site guarantees that you are getting the authentic formula with a 90-day money-back guarantee. To make things easier for you, I have added the link to the official website in the description below. Trust me, this is the only way to make a safe purchase and secure the real deal. Now, let's explore how MITOLYN works. Unlike most weight loss products that just focus on surface level solutions, MITOLYN tackles the root causes of weight gain. Its formula is packed with 6 incredible natural ingredients, including acai berry, rhodiola, haematococcus, amla, theobroma cocoa, and schisandra. Together, these ingredients boost your mitochondria, the energy powerhouses of your cell, by enhancing mitochondrial function. MITOLYN helps your body burn fat more efficiently, giving you a natural energy boost and faster metabolism. What's even better, MITOLYN also reduces stress hormones like cortisol, which is a big culprit behind weight gain. Stress often leads to emotional eating, poor sleep, and that stubborn belly fat, right? MITOLYN helps keep those hormones in check, leaving you feeling calm, focused, and energized. Plus, it promotes better digestion and gut health, ensuring your body processes nutrients efficiently. Many people start noticing positive changes within the first week of using MITOLYN. You might feel more energized, less bloated, and even sleep better. And within a few weeks, visible weight loss starts happening. Imagine waking up every day feeling lighter, more energetic, and completely in control of your health. MITOLYN isn't just about weight loss, it is about your overall wellness. It is packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation, improve your skin, and support cardiovascular health. Plus, it's non-GMO, free from stimulants, and carefully manufactured in an FDA-approved, GMP-certified facility. You are getting a product that is safe, effective, and built to deliver results. Here's the best part. MITOLYN comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it completely risk-free, and if you don't see the results you were hoping for, just return it. Even empty bottles, and get a full refund with no questions asked. How amazing is that? If you're ready to take charge of your health and start your weight loss journey, click the link in the description below to visit the official MITOLYN website. You will find great deals, including discounts on 3 and 6 bottle packages and free shipping on the 6 bottle option. Do not wait to start your transformation today with MITOLYN. After trying it, drop a comment below and let me know your experience. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.